Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete extensions on Google Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Alright, let's get started. First, open Chrome, then click on the three dots icon on the top right corner, then click on Settings, then Extensions on the left. A new tab will open with list of installed extensions. Some features will appear under each extension, such as Details if you want to know more about this extension, Remove if you want to delete, and Disable button if you want so. After you have located the extension you want to remove, click on Remove option, then Remove on the top. Some extensions will open and you tap upon removing, asking for a survey. You either answer it or ignore it by closing the tab and it will be removed immediately. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.